Hello, welcome back. I won't bother telling you why it took this long to upload another video since I'm not sure of the answer myself. However, I can tell you why I'm finally back. Well, recently I discovered a term, lightning talk, for the first time. Like lightning, it is short and impactful. Just like my House59 videos, in which I upload uh, conversation within the range of 59 seconds. Lightning talk leave a lasting impact on its audience. Like lightning, our short actions can make a big difference. So don't hesitate to take that action. Now, refuse to settle.